What's up, everybody? In this video we're going to be going over server-side request forgery and how this can be used to gain access to an admin panel. Now this is a different video than the last video. We're not just going to be doing server-side request forgery, we're going to be talking about sessions and stuff too. So yeah, let's get started. So I have vuln site 2 right here. It says see if you can log in as admin and get the flag. Well, if we go to admin, we're going to get a forbidden because we are not authenticated as the admin. Now, how does it know this? Well, it knows by a little thing called a cookie. So if we go to web developer, and if we go to, I don't know if they have it. We'll just click on network. And then if we go to storage over here, and then we can see we have this session cookie stored on this website, and it's set to this value. So what exactly is a session cookie? Well, a session cookie is something to keep you logged into the website. So it's, say for example, you have a website with some user pages and you have to be logged in to find out what's on these user pages. But you want to be able to navigate between different user pages without having to re-put in your password every time. Well, that's where sessions come in. They keep you logged in, and so a session cookie, when you decode it, it looks something like user equals, Bob, whatever, user equals Lando, user equals what. It's just user colon and then it's kind of like JSON format, if you know what that is. But the whole point of a cookie is you can't just make your own cookie and just do whatever. Well, you can make your own cookie, but you can't make a valid server cookie and do anything to the server without a secret key. At least that's how it works in Flask. We'll be going over maybe PHP cookies and other things later on, but for Flask, this is what we're talking about right now. And so we need that secret key to make our cookie. So first we need to figure out what the cookie looks like once it's decoded, and then we need to use our secret key to actually create our own cookie to authenticate us as admin. So alright, so let's go back to our network and let's reload the site. And here we go. Just like before, we're going to do a right click, edit and resend, and we're going to be getting our app.py file. And here we go, send and response, and we have the server code. Now we can see there's a new variable set, which is app.secretkey, and we're going to need that. So let's copy this app.secretkey, and let's go to my blank terminal here, and the code for these files will be down below, but we're going to run Python 3 Flask and decode.py. We need our Flask session key, which is the one we just had there, our secret key, cookie to decode. And we can go back to storage and click, and we can get this cookie right here, and paste this in here. And it's launched another website on this port, which is 8080, which is not port 3000, so it won't interfere with our regular, our other website. And it says, here's the decoded cookie. It's secure cookie, cookie session admin, and then false. Okay, so this part you just need to ignore. This is the part that we're really looking at here. Admin false. So we need to change this to true. Now I want to add a little side note. Whenever you reload index.html, it will set this admin cookie to false again. So if you set your new cookie and then reload index.html, it'll replace it with this cookie. So anyway, let's go back, and what we need to do now is we need to go copy our secret key again once more, and then we're going to run flask encode.py. Now again, this only has it only has one value key pair, so it'll only be admin true or admin false. In some other applications you might have username, password, other parameters in the cookie that you want to change. But for this case, we're just going to do admin true. I didn't write my script, so it takes in multiple parameters, but you can always just go find something online to do that with, or maybe a GitHub repository or something. There's plenty of stuff out there. But anyway, so we're going to do Flask, and then encoder.py. Okay, and then here we're going to paste in our Flask session key, and then cookie key is going to be admin. Cookie value is going to be true because we don't want it to be false, we want it to be true. And here we go. We have this web server running here, and here's our cookie that we're just going to go all the way across here and copy. Alright, now we can close out of that. This will, because I'm running these both on the same local IP, it's actually gonna set this cookie already, but we don't want that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to reload this page right here, and then I'm gonna go back to storage, and we need to have the storage ready. Alright, now we're gonna go to admin, and because remember, you have to do this in admin or it'll just reset it in index.html. So admin, paste, refresh, and here we go. We are in the admin panel. We use server-side request forgery to gain access to the admin panel on this website, and we have the flag. This is our flag. No, Lando CTF is not a real thing. I wish it was. Maybe I'll make it one day. Comment down below if you want me to do that. But anyway, I really do hope you learned something new, and if you did learn something new, please leave a like on this video, and comment down below if you have any questions, and make sure to subscribe. So I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.